Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. So this is my Amazon store. I have a link in the description box if you guys want to purchase any of my favorite stuff that I use. Also, if you're going to purchase something from Amazon and it's just a random product, you can just go ahead on my store. You don't have to purchase anything from my store, but if you want to purchase rice, for example, you can just type in rice. But like through my Amazon store, if you type it, I will still earn some kind of commission. Thank you for supporting. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new, make sure you click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, we are going to be making a DIY gel for $1. So basically, it has simple ingredients, but there are also downsides to this gel. But first, this is how I made it. So basically what I did is just use 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin is a great humectant for the hair. And then I used a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is basically the thickener, and it can also give your product some slip. And then I added 4 ounces of water. 4 ounces of water equals 4 ounces of gel. And then I mixed it up really well. But to let the xanthan gum really hydrate into the water and glycerin, I just closed it up and left it overnight. So this is the gel after a few days. This is the texture. So it's not that thick as you can see. I think if you want it thicker, maybe you could up the xanthan gum. But do not up it too much because it could be really thick instantly. So this is like a gooey texture right now. So yeah, we're gonna see if this works. I'm not gonna try it on my whole head, just in case if my hair falls out, only one side falls out. So basically the downside of this is you don't have a preservative in it, and a preservative is going to keep it from getting mold. So if you want to use this like one time or something, you can just make 4 ounces. But if you want to make a big batch, make sure you just buy a preservative. You can get those on Amazon. They have different types of preservative, and you do need to use 1% of your whole concoction to get the preservative amount you need. And the second thing is, even if you want to put a preservative, you might want to check the pH, because the pH is very important. If your product doesn't have the right pH, your hair can maybe fall out or break out or even get damaged. So even if you have preservative and you want to keep using it every single week, it's the best gel you ever tried, your hair still might fall out if you don't have the correct pH. So those are the 2 important things you need to have. But other than that, it's a very good consistency. It is a little bit more on the gooey side, watery. It does have slip. So we're gonna test this on one section. So this is like a basic gel to use, I guess. Ooh, this is good. This is actually good. It has some nice slip. Okay. It has no smell whatsoever. Taking a little bit more. It has some nice slip. Okay, looking good. It's very liquidy, so know how you scoop it up, because it can fall all over your hands and your face and everything, so be careful with that. It is looking very good. I haven't even used my whole head yet, and I don't have a lot. So because it's watery, you need to add a little bit more than I'm used to, and I'm just scooping it out. And you barely see there's anything in my hair. So this is what the side looks like. It looks very good. Need to add a little bit more because I have some frizz. It looks good. Do have some frizz. I'm only gonna do one side because I don't have a lot of gel left. This is basically only for one section. But yeah, I'm only gonna do one side, and I'll come back and see how it looks. If I have frizz, will it hold? Because the slip is great and the definition, but it might poof up the second it's dry. So we're gonna wait and see what will happen, and I will get back to you guys. So I'm back and my hair is like 70% dry. I'm not gonna make it in time to show you guys the results, but I am gonna post them on my Instagram if you want to see the full results of this, like when it's 100% dry. But right now I need to like upload this video today, so this is what my hair looks like at 70%. If you touch it, even though some parts are dry, it's very sticky, so be mindful of that. But other than that, it looks really good. The definition is very good, and I did not use a leave-in at all. And I did not use a leave-in, I used it on freshly washed hair. And I want to tell you guys that when you're making the gel, you have to use glycerin, because if you're only mixing xanthan gum and water, the xanthan gum will start to make chunks in the water and it won't dissolve at all. So learn from me. I also saw it on a few people that when they mix it only with water, it turns into chunks and chunks and it doesn't dissolve. The powder that kind of stays, doesn't really dissolve. So you have to mix it in with glycerin first, let it hydrate, and then add your water. And you can also add essential oils if you want to smell, or some kind of oil. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I'm definitely loving it. Would I try this again? No, because I'm making my own hair gel. Stay tuned. And yeah, I'm not gonna try this separately. I'm just gonna have my own hair gel. But this is actually a good option if you don't want to buy a gel. But I do have some tiny bit frizz inside, so be mindful of that. If you're gonna use a blow dryer, you might create more frizz, but it's very sticky. I don't know if you guys can see it. I only touched it a little bit and my hand is already a little bit sticky, so be mindful of that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram to see the results. I am gonna post the results tonight. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.